Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And for today, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney bot in order to blend images together and create a whole new image based on multiple images. So first things first, go to Discord where you have a server with the Midjourney bot already part of. Now, you want to type the command /blend in order to tell the Midjourney bot that you intend to blend two images together. As you can see, it asks for two images, so let's add our first one here, and we can add a second one on the second image box. As you can see, you can even add .gifs to the second image box in order to blend a still image with a GIF image. Now, you want to let the Midjourney bot do its magic, and there you go. You now have a single image blended from the two images you've uploaded to the bot. Now, we can even take this a step further by taking this blended image and then typing /imagine and linking the blended image to imagine more variations of said image. And as you can see, we now have 4 variations of a blended image, all by starting off with 2 default images we've uploaded. Now that I've shown you the power of blending images together, let's try doing it this time with 3 images instead of just 2. So to start off again, let's type /blend in order to start the image blending program again. Then, instead of just having 2 images, since we want 3, we have to type in images3:. This will allow us to upload a third image to blend 3 images together. Now, after running the program one more time, we now have the result of 3 blended images together instead of just 2. It really is quite scary and crazy how well these Midjourney AI generative programs actually work. Now, let's take it another step forward by taking this triple blended image and generating a new image and blending it with that one. So we're going to start off by typing /imagine, and let's imagine a human AI abstract design. After Midjourney does its magic yet again and gives us 4 variations of an abstract human AI, we can click on the U4 button in order to upscale picture number 4 from the list. Now that we're happy with the upscaled image, let's download it and type /blend again in order to start blending the triple blended image with our upscaled human AI abstract design. And let the magic work, and there we go. We now have a triple blended image with an AI generated upscaled image. And as you can see, we pretty much have a practically original artwork made for us by the Midjourney AI program. And there you go. Congratulations! You now know how to use the blend feature on the Midjourney bot program. As you can see, the options are quite endless and are only limited by your imagination and creativity. We would also love to see all the different AI-generated images that you have blended together and made using this tutorial. Feel free to share them in the comments down below and also any inquiries and questions you may have. Leave a like for this video if you think you've learned something new and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care for now.